Did you notice that automatically today, when we talk about racism, sexism, and so on, we translate it into problem of intolerance. The problem is harassment, intolerance, and so on. Now, there is nothing self-evident in this. A proof. Do a simple experiment. Go to internet and Google Martin Luther King, his speeches, and add the word tolerance, intolerance. Why? Because if there was a figure of anti-racist struggle, of course, it's Martin Luther King. Practically, the word is absent. For him, the problem of racism against the blacks in the United States was not the problem of tolerance. It would be even humiliating for him to say, we blacks want to be what? More tolerated by whites or what? It's the same, for example, for a feminist. It would be, I think, ridiculous to claim we women want to be more tolerated by men or what? No, to Luther King it's clear. The problem is universal political. The problem is